Oh my gosh, Patilu, how dare you use the kids cheering sound effect? You know the kids cheering sound effect is bad for young people. I told you not to use the kids cheering sound effect, but you didn't listen to me and makes cry my Spanish alphabet letter A and scare me. I hate you. The next time use a sound effect of an audience cheering, or if you use a kid cheering sound effect again, I'll send you to prison so you die by electrocution. End of the call.